Today, we will show how to set the menu in Joomla templates. To begin, select the template you want to use to configure the menu. We've chosen our favorite template as an example. Keep in mind that only templates with a menu configuration feature can be used for this method. If your template doesn't have this feature, you can configure the menu through module positions, which we'll explain in another video. To begin, let's select the Navigation tab. Within this tab, you will notice a small drop-down labeled Menu. This is where you can configure the menu settings. Additionally, it is important to note that a drop-down can contain multiple menus. Once we have saved these settings, we can move on to creating our menus. To begin, navigate to the Menu Manager. Next, create a new menu and give it a unique title. Then add menu items by specifying their title and type. Repeat this process to create an additional menu for clarity. We will now include these two menus in the template, allowing the user to view them on the front end. To do this, open the corresponding template from the Templates panel. Again, if you go to the Menus drop-down on the Navigation tab, you will see your menu coming up. Save it. Now, if you visit your site, you will see that the menus will show.